sa atin within our jurisdiction because we have two conflicting claims of ownership.
So Mayor, agree po kayo dun sa magkaroon ng third party dun sa...
Well, if it's going to be a marine board or inquiry, whatever satisfies the requirement of fair play and due process.
Okay.
Due process that everybody should be heard. Fair play is that there's no one that is under suspicion of siding with the other. And you can only do that kung may board kayo na. Kasi pag kanila lang, then we compare which would always be contradictory, I suppose. That can be presumed. Di walang mangyari. Di parang walang insidente.
Sino kayo pwede?
Sir, should we...
I don't know, but I think the lower, they're talking at the lower level.